We're staying in our interface.dwg file, so keep that file open in AutoCAD for now. As I mentioned in the previous video, we've got a live AutoCAD drawing open, which means we've got access to all of the menus and tools and things in the AutoCAD interface. It just makes life that little bit easier. Now, we're going to take a look at the info bar in AutoCAD in this particular video, and it's one of those little ones that you probably won't ever need, but it's nice to know that it's there. Now, it's up here top right in the AutoCAD interface. So as you can see, we've got up here, type a keyword or phrase. Now, if I click there, like so, and typed in, say, line, and then I can either click here on the magnifying glass there, or I can just press enter. It would then open up the help screens with all of the help screens that have the word line in them. It allows me to locate all of that information in the AutoCAD help. Now, the other thing just to the left of it, by the way, if I click there, it will kind of minimize the info bar. Click again, maximizes it. That type of keyword or phrase option disappears when you click on that little arrow there. Now, as I mentioned, type a keyword or phrase, press enter, that'll help you find things in the AutoCAD help screens. Moving along, you'll see a little blue head and shoulders icon. That is where you're logged into your Autodesk account. So you can check your account details, you can explore further AutoCAD purchasing options. It's all subscription based, remember? You can manage your subscription license, your privacy settings. You can also sign out of your AutoCAD subscription and quit AutoCAD if you want to. So it's a very simple menu to utilize. The little shopping trolley will open up the Autodesk App Store in a separate browser window. You can then go and locate Autodesk apps that might work with AutoCAD. Some of those are free, some of them you have to pay for. And then here, we've got Stay Connected with the Autodesk online community. We can connect with Autodesk via our Autodesk account or check our certified hardware. We can go onto the web and look at the AutoCAD blog, the YouTube channel, Facebook page, Twitter page. Also, as well, just moving along there, got a little question mark with a down arrow. That's our help. So as you can see there, we can download offline help, which is incredibly useful when you're working on site. So you download the offline help files, and then when you go to the help, you've got all the access to the help. It's just not the updated online version. And then last but not least here, we've got the Autodesk Assistant. It's an AI-powered assistant to help you find answers and direct you to further support with AutoCAD. If you click on that, that will open up a little assistant dialog and you can type in what you need. You can also type assistant open when you need help as well. This is one of the newer things in AutoCAD 2025, which is all AI based, artificial intelligence based. It's an incredibly useful little tool, so check it out when you've got a moment and perhaps have a look and see how the Autodesk Assistant can help you.